Around the bed I can spot different weeds. For example, this looks like Bidens spilosa. It has so many benefits. Stay tuned. I will share the benefits of Bidens spilosa. So besides growing cowpeas and getting fresh food in such a short time, it's an excellent companion crop to help you cover your beds. Remember, my ground has been bare, so I did companion planting of cowpeas and okra to help me save water, to reduce the rate of evaporation because of the high heat. Leaves because they are usually bitter. So what you do, this will go towards making more fertilizer. Then when you are preparing the vegetable, you also have to remove like this. You remove the leaves like this. These are more fresh leaves. So this is what we will cook, and the rest goes to making organic fertilizer. Hence, planting of legumes like the cowpeas is possible because the legumes fix nitrogen in the soil. So there's really not much they need to get them to grow and maintain green. As long as they get enough water, they will shoot up. But then now I have to harvest them. If I leave them over for long and they go into flowering, they will now need more nutrients. So this is the perfect time to harvest the legumes. Without getting to the okra. And they are so soft. They'll be so nice when cooked. I shared a recipe on how to cook cowpea leaves. I will share the link in the description. You can watch the video. Wow. Healthy and nice, so soft. So this is how you tell that the leaves are fresh and soft. When you go to the market, that sound, they are soft. And they are not breaking when I do this. So you know those are definitely fresh leaves. So it's clear. I've left the okra. Should definitely grow more leaves. So this is what I'm going to weigh for the homesteaders competition. And I have more material to make some organic fertilizer. So this is my third vegetable, and today I'm weighing my fresh cowpea leaves. So I'm going to put the leaves in this net. Then you're going to see how many pounds. So that's 0. Let's see how many. 3.413. 3.413. Is it touching down? No. 3.415. it's at 0. So for the second, let's do it like this. 2.692. 2.692. So I'm getting the last good final bunch. Stay the way. So for the final bunch, let's see, 2.562. 2.562. Total weights for the 3 bunches, the total weight is 8.669 pounds.